Have you ever needed to fix a computer, reinstall Windows, or create a bootable USB but didn't know which tool to use? If yes, then you've probably heard of Rufus. And in this video, we're diving deep into the benefits of Rufus for PC users and why it's still one of the most trusted tools in 2025. If you want a tool that's fast, free, and reliable, this one is worth understanding. One of the biggest benefits of Rufus is speed. Rufus is known for creating bootable USB drives much faster than other tools. If you're installing Windows or Linux often, or if you work in tech support, this speed alone can save you a ton of time. Even for normal PC users, not having to wait forever for a bootable USB to finish is a huge advantage, especially when you're dealing with large ISO files. Another major benefit is simplicity. Rufus has a clean, no-nonsense interface. You don't have to deal with complicated menus or confusing options. You plug in your USB, select your ISO, click Start, and that's it. This makes Rufus perfect even for complete beginners. You don't need technical knowledge, and you don't have to install extra software. It's lightweight, portable, and ready to run instantly. Rufus is also incredibly versatile. Whether you're installing Windows, booting into Linux, running diagnostic tools, or creating a recovery drive, Rufus supports all of it. You can format drives, change partition schemes, pick between MBR and GPT, work with UEFI systems, and even bypass some requirements when preparing Windows installation media. That flexibility makes it useful for almost any PC setup. A benefit that many people don't realize is that Rufus works offline. Once you download the tool, you can use it even without an internet connection. This is a lifesaver when your PC crashes and you can't access the internet to download tools. IT professionals love this feature, but it's equally useful for students, home users, and anyone working in areas with unstable connectivity. Another strong advantage is that Rufus is safe and open source. There are no ads, no bundled programs, and nothing shady running in the background. Because the code is public, anyone can inspect it, which makes it one of the most trustworthy bootable USB tools available. For PC users who value security and transparency, this makes Rufus stand out. One more benefit is that Rufus provides advanced options for users who want more control. You can create persistent storage for some Linux distributions, adjust cluster sizes, select file systems, and even customize how the bootloader works. These features are optional, so beginners can ignore them, but advanced users can take full advantage of them. It's the best of both worlds. Easy for beginners, powerful for experts. And finally, Rufus is completely free. No subscriptions, no premium versions, no hidden features. You get everything the moment you download it. For a tool that performs better than many paid alternatives, that's a huge benefit. So if you're looking for a tool that's fast, reliable, safe, and easy to use, Rufus is one of the best utilities you can have on your computer. Whether you're reinstalling Windows, fixing a broken PC, experimenting with Linux, or preparing recovery tools, Rufus is a must-have for every PC user in 2025. If this video helped you understand the benefits of Rufus, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tech guides and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.